Hello and welcome to Cooking with Shada. Today we are going to make something different. It's a snack and we are going to make today is the salted banana chips. So let's jump into the ingredients. For that you're going to need obviously raw banana. These are the green colored bananas. So these are what you're going to be needing. Then you're going to be needing salt, little bit of turmeric for the color and some water. Okay, so here we have peeled bananas and this is the banana. Okay, so here we are going to be putting salt and turmeric in the water. Let it sit in the water. Later on we are going to put our chips into this water. Okay, so now we have this kind of tool for slicing bananas into these thin chips, you can see. So if you want, you can even use your simple knife to cut them thin, but we find this more better and easy, so you can even go for this. Okay, so now what we are going to basically do is we have sliced the bananas and we are going to soak it in this water of salt and turmeric for about 5 minutes so that it takes all the salt and the color and it doesn't even get black. So we are going to be soaking it for the 5 minutes. Okay, so now it's been 5 minutes since we have soaked the bananas. So now we have got a cloth over here. This is a muslin cloth. You can even go for a paper towel if you want. And now what we are going to be doing is we are going to be soaking these bananas on the cloth just so that all the water is dried out from our bananas, because that's what we want. And you're going to be soaking it for about 5 minutes, just like that. Okay, so now we'll start frying our our bananas, and make sure that your oil is very hot. Like you can see these bubbles, so you should be seeing these bubbles. Your oil should be that hot, like completely hot. And then just start putting your bananas in the oil. Okay, so our chips are done over here. It took about 20 to 30 minutes, so it's gonna take that much of time. So now just soak it on your paper towel. So we will end by sprinkling some salt and some pepper on the top, and this is your final chips ready. Mix it well, mix the salt and pepper well onto the chips. So here's the final chips ready. So make it and enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.